Welcome to Vahana Overview. In this session we will give you an overview of Vahana, covering the modules of the platform. Today we will look at what is the Vahana platform offering by Decimal Technologies. We will also see how Vahana helps in solving problems of a typical SDLC and helps in improving the go-to-market time. Lastly, we will discuss the various modules offered by Vahana that enable us to implement applications with speed and efficiency. What is Vahana? Vahana is a low-code development platform. It offers a single platform to manage the entire end-to-end application lifecycle seamlessly without having to interact with multiple systems and application interfaces. Low-code platform development is the new paradigm of software development. These platforms deliver business applications with minimal coding using highly scalable, modular and reusable components that allow solutions to be developed and deployed rapidly. A typical SDLC includes a requirement gathering phase, followed by design and development of databases, complex logics and application UIs. These systems are then integrated with external services to complete the implementations that then have to undergo multiple phases of testing. This whole process is highly resource intensive with multiple skill set requirements, has a high probability of security issues creeping in and is very cost and time intensive. To top this, the various technologies used in the process are continuously upgraded by the manufacturers. Thus, a typical application implementation will become technically redundant in less than 10 years. This also makes the maintenance very cumbersome and repetitive. Not only you have to continuously upgrade the various technologies, but the application's performance will increasing degrade over the years due to all the patchwork. Vahana takes care of these legacy issues by offering core services out of the box in a single platform while encouraging cross-collaboration across development functions. This helps reduce dependence on core technology skills and allows business ideation to take the lead and allow rapid prototyping and development. Security layers and guidelines are introduced at a platform level itself to ensure compliance with the highest industry standards. Visual configurator tools and the capability to create device-agnostic applications, ensures faster GTM and huge savings on cost and time. Separating technology stack from application development ensures that the latest technology is always available to support your application. Vahana's visual aids ensure shorter release cycle, also making maintenance easier and cheaper. Using an application designer, business users can directly design application pages in the inbuilt designer module and can take care of UI optimization in multiple frames at the same time. Rules and application workflow can be configured and tested on the platform itself with minimal business impact and redundancies in deployment. With an open source technology stack in place and a business user inclusive visual design framework, allow the platform to liberate you from spending sleepless nights trying to arrange for trained technical engineers to troubleshoot issues and develop apps. Vahana allows your core business owners to be in charge of digital assets. And all this through minimal training and guidance. Vahana platform is ISO 27001 certified for information security management and follows full stack of the WASP guidelines. On top of this, the platform goes through regular audits by both internal stakeholders as well as external agencies for possible security risks. This ensures that all applications developed on Vahana platform are free from any security risks, even without any specific measures during application development. Vahana uses the Flutter code base to create device-agnostic applications which can be published as native Android and iOS applications as well as PWAs or web portals. This enables businesses to target a wider customer base with very little effort and cost. Let's have a look at the tech stack of Vahana. As part of maintaining your application on Vahana, you just need to ensure that the application UI is meeting the user feedback. And doing so is very easy too. You can simply make changes to the UI, and the platform then ensures that the changes fit into the current workflow. This reduces the test period and ensures faster application release. And the updates sync up directly with installed applications and no reinstallation is required. Now let us look at the major modules offered by Vahana and how they ease up the application development process. Different modules within Vahana take care of everything from application design to integrations, rules and workflow setup, release management and application monitoring. vDesigner is the design module in Vahana, where you do the major part of your configurations. This is very similar to any UI typical design tool. Here, you can choose the frames for application optimization, drag and drop elements to create pages, and even customize your elements for size, color and related actions as per your requirements. Pages and elements are automatically structured in a tree for ease of search and access. The next step in the application design process is adding external services and databases. For this, Vahana comes with a very comprehensive middleware layer known as VConnect. VConnect enables you to connect with both JSON and XML type APIs easily using simple UI configurations. It also comes pre-integrated with more than 300 APIs from 50+ providers which take care of all your user interaction needs. This includes communication APIs, KYC and OCR APIs, legal documentation related APIs, financial statement analysis APIs, geolocation APIs and many more. Vahana also supports all the major databases in the market which can again be integrated with your application through VConnect. The next step in the development process is rule and workflow setup. The vFlow module helps the configurator convert the business logic in rules, and visual workflow in complete business terms. Users can devise their workflow like creating a flowchart, and build rules and if conditions using the business rule engine. Using the release manager, an application configurator is able to define his own work environments on the platform itself, and the related hardware allocation is managed automatically from the platform backend. He can then deploy code from one environment in a few clicks, and the code versioning is automatically maintained for all environments. The code, once deployed, syncs up and auto-updates installed applications whenever a user is in network area. Powered by an underlying Fire-based platform, Vahana offers a wide array of services and reports to monitor all aspects of an application's health and audit parameters. The module has default dashboards for application monitoring for checking health of various modules within the application, user monitoring for tracking user locations and demographic, device monitoring for reports on devices accessing the application. On top of this, users can also configure custom dashboards for MES reports, if required. To add to all the features mentioned, Vahana also supports multiple deployment options to suit your business needs. The applications developed on Vahana can be deployed on cloud, on-prem and hybrid deployment. The platform supports all the major cloud systems in the market,